platform, that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. And guys, this is the session related to the Theory of Machine GATE Champion series. This is the second session of Theory of Machine. And guys, today we are going to see problems only on Flywheel. Okay, so as I already told you, based on your request, we have extended the number of sessions. So we will be having today Flywheel only. For gears, gear train and governor, we have different session for practice, so that we can cover more number of questions on each of the topic. Midun, good evening. Manas, good evening. Dheeraj, good evening. So guys, today we are going to have the question on the Flywheel. And you know, the introduction of Flywheel is coming from where? From where? Yes, from kinematic and dynamic analysis of single slider crank mechanism. So we will be having questions from both of them. Gaman, good evening, bhai. So we will be having questions from Flywheel and kinematic and dynamic analysis of single slider crank mechanism. So guys, we are moving further. So just like and share the session so that other student will also join. So guys, this is some detail about me. Those who are watching me for the first time, I am having around 10 plus years of experience. I have written many research and review paper, and these are my areas of interest or areas of expertise. The subject for today's session is Theory of Machines. Yes, Naveen, good evening dear. Let us move further. So guys, as you know, only 5 months are left for preparation of GATE 2023. So for that, we are having a GATE Achiever series, which is going on free on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Okay, so there are some sessions related to previous year's questions, some sessions related to theory, and some sessions related to the practice, and they are also going on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app for free. So guys, those who want to attend the workshop on how to secure under AIR 100 in GATE 2024, for them on 25th of September at 12:30 PM, you can join this workshop. For that, you need to register for free. Yes, yes, so you were not knowing that. That's why yesterday I was saying you that we have the same name. So guys, if you want to get the free ebook on GATE preparation, the link is there in the description box. You can download from there. Okay. So guys, now we are starting with the very first question. Okay. So guys, the very first question in front of you is this one. Okay, you can start solving it. This is from Flywheel, guys. This is the very first question. Yes, Kiran, good evening, bhai. So guys, you got that I have shared the first DPP. DPP1 you got or not? I shared DPP1 just before the class. You can download it from my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Okay. Sir, when will 2024 batch will start? Dear, they are already started actually. Okay. So for that, we can separately connect. Nitya, good evening, bhai. So just to start solving, this is the first question. An engine connected with a flywheel is designed to operate at an average angular speed of. So an average is given as 1500 RPM. They are saying during operation of the engine, maximum change in kinetic energy. They have given delta E as 7500 joules. In order to keep the fluctuation, you can see fluctuation is given plus minus 1%. So you will be taking CS to be 2%. Okay. Then you know that they are asking you the I value. You need to find out the moment of inertia. If you see the previous year's question of flywheel, total, if you find 15 questions from flywheel, out of 15, you will see that 12 out of 15 questions are of this type only, where you need to use the fundamental equation of flywheel. And fundamental equation of flywheel is delta E as I omega mean square CS. So guys, today we are going to cover around 20 questions, and I am going to cover all the types. Okay. So we are starting from easy one. There will be some difficult ones as well. Okay. You may have seen 3 to 4 questions before also, but majority are new questions only. I feel Kenil, Dheeraj, Midun, Bhavya, Manas, they have already answered as 15.198. What about others? So guys, just like the session, share the session so that others can also join. Yes, I am also sharing. I feel I forget to share at some places. Yes. Yes guys, start solving this. Then we are going to see the solution. Shubham, good evening bhai. Okay Dheeraj. So let us solve. Yesterday Tomato Singh have said the same thing. Today you have said the same dialogue. Huh? But I also have this dialogue. Okay, so I will be repeating it again and again. So just try to solve it guys. So you will be keeping it 7500. Then you know what is I value? I value is nothing but mk square, but we need not to put because we need to find out I. So we will keep it I. Omega mean, you know this is n mean given. So what will be omega mean? 2 pi n mean by 60 ka square. Okay. Then my dear into CS you will be taking 0.02. Why? Because it is in percentage. So you will be dividing it by 100. So you will get 0.02. So after solving you will be getting the value of I, and this will be coming out to be 15.19. Very good Naveen. 15.19 kg meter square. This will be the answer for this one. I feel everyone have done it. That's great. Good evening Nagaraju. So Shubham, have you done this question? Question number 2 in front of you. Now I told you 12 out of 15 questions were of the type 1 question. If you see, this type of 2 questions have been asked in previous years. So that's why I am covering each of the gate type first. Then we will see some new type of questions. Solve it guys. This is the next question. Here T theta diagram is given. So when T theta diagram is given, how to solve in that case? Yes, try solving that. Try solving this guys. Try solving this. Yes. This is the question where T theta diagram is given to you. Yes, Bhavya, Dheeraj, Shubham, Kenil, Manas, Divyansh, Naveen. Try to solve it. Yes. Try to solve it. I am waiting for your answer. The torque required to drive a machine is as shown in the figure. It takes 2 seconds to complete one cycle, whereas the motor supplying the power is running at a speed of 300 rpm. The size of the flywheel to be attached on the motor, where fluctuation is 1%. So you need to find out how to solve it. Yes. Try to solve it guys. Try to solve it. So Kenil is saying 103.45. Very good. So first of all, what you will be doing, you will be assuming a mean torque line. You will be assuming a mean torque line. Let us say this is T mean line. We don't know this value. Okay. And you know that some area is there inside the curve. I am showing this area with this color. This is the area. So if you see the work done in a cycle, this is nothing but the hatched area. So you can see this is 100. So you will write 100 into pi. Then you can see this is 1000 plus 1000 into pi. Then you can see this is 100. Okay, this is 200 I feel so. This is 200. So now it is plus 100 into 2 pi. So total area will be coming out to be 1400 pi. You know we can write it as Tm into 4 pi. So you will be getting the value of mean torque. So I am telling you how to solve this type of question. Shubham is saying A will be the answer. Kenil, very good. Very good. So you will be getting the mean torque, and mean torque will be coming out to be equals to what? 350. It is coming out to be 350, and the units are also mentioned here as Newton meter. So 350 Newton meter. Now you got the value of mean torque. So this is the mean torque line. If this is the mean torque line, this area is delta E. So if you want to find out delta E, what will be the delta E part? That is fluctuation of energy. It is going to be the maximum torque is 1000 minus mean torque is 350 into pi. So delta E will be coming out to be what? It will be coming out to be 650 pi. Yes. Now you will be keeping it I omega mean square CS because you need to find out I once again. Yes, Kenil, very good, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Kartikeya, very good. Manas, very good. So I feel all of you have given the right answer. So now you just need to do one thing. You need to put the value of omega mean and CS. So what will be the value of CS? Yes, Kenil, what you have taken the value of CS. Very good, Bhavya. इसमें समय क्यों लग गया भव्या इतना? Yes. So what you have taken, Kenil, the value of CS? Yes. Because they have said 1% on either side of the mean speed. They are saying that fluctuation of speed with 1% on either side. So you will be having CS to be 0.02. The answer will be 103.45 kg meter square. Okay, don't worry, Bhavya. Here you will learn a lot. Great. Moving to question number 3. This is once again have been asked one time. In the previous year's GATE question, one time this type of question have also been asked in 2006. So as I said, first of all I am covering all the types of previous years. Then we will move to the new types. Okay? Very good. So try to solve this. Here they are asking the ratio of omega max by omega min. So you already know that coefficient of fluctuation of speed is given as omega max minus omega min divided by omega max plus omega min divided by 2. So you will use this relation, and from this relation you will be finding out first of all the ratio of omega max by omega min in terms of CS. Then we will be finding out the value of this by putting the value of CS. Try to solve it. Manas is saying B. Okay, what about others? So as I said, 2 to 3 questions you may find you have seen, but others are new questions only. So for your memory, I have kept starting 2-3 questions of the GATE level only. Then slightly above we will go. Yes, Mirun is saying C, Kenil is saying C. So some are saying C, some are saying B. Let us see what will be the right answer. Yes, Shubham, what is your opinion? Shubham and Nagaraju, where are you? Yes. So I feel today already BHEL session was too long. So that is why some students thought that aaj ka ho gaya. Kartikeya is also getting B. Very good. Very good, very good. Solve it, guys. I want answer from all of you. And guys, do like and share the session so that others also reach here. So when you will like, other will also reach here. Yes. Also share the session if it is missing some of the group. Okay, Abhimanyu is saying 11 by 9. Malesh, good evening, bhai. Late ho gaya aaj. Okay, 1.05 Bhavya is saying. Okay, guys. So I would like to give you a wonderful thing because it was asked in 2006. So how you can proceed here? This 2 will be going to the numerator. Then it will be coming denominator of CS. So you will be having CS by 2 is equals to omega max minus omega min divided by omega max plus omega min. I am saying take inverse of that. You will get 2 by CS as equals to omega max plus omega min divided by omega max minus omega min. Then go for componendo and dividendo. What we do in componendo and dividendo, you will add 2 plus CS, then you will subtract 2 minus CS. Here also you will be doing omega max plus omega minimum plus omega maximum minus omega minimum. You will get 2 times omega maximum. Similarly in denominator you will get this minus this, you will give 2 times omega minimum. 2 will get cancelled out. So you got a relation 2 plus CS by 2 minus CS is omega max by omega min. Now put the value of CS. You will be getting this ratio to be 1.05. B will be the right answer. Okay. Yes. Are you getting it, guys? Ha, very good, Nagaraju. Great. You remember that. That's great. So, guys, try to revise the topic before the session. That will really help you. And DPP1 is shared with you. If you are joined in any WhatsApp or Telegram group where I am there, I have shared DPP1. And that DPP1 is related to simple mechanism and velocity acceleration analysis. 11 questions are there. They are gate level plus slightly more than that. Okay. So try to solve it. Yes, next question. Question number 4, guys. A flywheel in a system is shifted to another shaft which rotates at double the speed of earlier one. The coefficient of fluctuation of speed compared to earlier case for the same fluctuation of energy. They are saying for two cases, fluctuation of energy are same. And they are saying if omega 2 is becoming 2 times of omega 1, they are talking about the mean speed. Then you need to tell us what will be the coefficient of fluctuation of 2 with respect to CS1. So you just need to equate these two things. What are they? I omega mean square CS of 1 is equals to I omega mean square CS of 2. Flywheel is same, I will be same, I will get cancel out. Solve it and get the answer. Very good, Vinod. Yes, Vinod. Okay. So Kiran is saying C, bahut badhiya. Shubham is saying C, bahut badhiya. Kenil is saying C, bahut badhiya. Bhavya is saying, Manas is saying, Dheeraj is saying. Very good. So Nagaraju, Naveen, what about you guys? What will be the answer? Yes. Midun is also saying the C. Very good, dear. Very good. Bahut hi badhiya. Karthik is also saying C. Malesh is saying C. Naveen is saying C. And yes, the answer is C. So you can say CS2 is equals to CS1 by 4. Arey bhai, very simple it is because CS is inversely proportional to omega. So if omega will double, CS will 1 by 4. So that is why the answer is going to be C for this. So it was a new question, okay, and you may have this type of question in the exam. This type of question was never asked in GATE. This is a very good question. Here it is a combination of quick return motion mechanism plus flywheel concept. Quick return motion mechanism plus flywheel concept. Try to solve this. A shaper is driven by an electric motor which supply power at a uniform rate of power is 0.8 kilowatt. Then they are saying the crank of the shaper runs at 20 rpm. So N is given as 20 rpm. Then they are saying the quick return ratio. It is telling us the cutting to returns time stroke is 2:1. Then they are saying the moment of inertia 150 kg meter square. Then they are saying, assuming that the power required only during the cutting stroke, the fluctuation of speed of the flywheel as a percentage of mean speed. So they have given the mean speed. This is the crank rotation, so they are not required for us, but they have given the mean speed of flywheel, which is 200 rpm. So guys, just try to solve it. How you will be solving it, just try to do that. Yes, solve it. I am waiting for your reply. Solve it, guys. This also will be used at one place. They are saying 20 rpm means 20 revolutions, 60 seconds. So 1 revolution, 3 seconds. So this is giving you the cycle time. So cycle time is 3 seconds. Out of 3 seconds, cutting stroke will take 2 seconds. Return stroke will take 1 second. So guys, try to solve it now. How you will be solving it, let us see. Try to solve it. This is a very, very good question. This is a very, very good question, guys. Okay. Yes. You know that whenever we have cycle time where 2 seconds is cutting stroke, 1 second is going to be return stroke. So you know that during cutting only the energy will be required. So power rating is given to you. So whatever the power will be produced in the cycle time, that is in 3 seconds, that will be utilized only at this time. Okay, so you can find out delta E with this, just try to solve it. So you know that delta E, which is the fluctuation of energy required from the flywheel, just try to find out that, then equate it to I omega mean square CS. This is a new type of question which have never been asked in GATE examination. So it will give you an idea how to solve such type of question. Just solve it. Yes. Solve kariye bhai. Yes, Kenil. Okay, I am giving you hint for that. That will, one more thing I would like to tell you. You know that for the first 2 seconds when cutting is going to take place, at that time motor will be giving some energy. Flywheel will be storing the energy in that 1 second when cutting is not taking place. So delta E is nothing but power rating into return stroke time. So you know that power rating is given to you, return stroke time is 1 second. So you just need to put that value and equate it with I omega mean square CS. You will get the value of CS. Okay. For omega mean, you know that 2 pi, n mean is 200 divided by 60. I feel Kenil have given the answer and Kenil have said the answer to be 1.2. Kenil, your answer is correct. Wonderful. So try to solve it, guys. I have given you the hint. So guys, don't run from the question. I am giving you the way to solve here. Okay, you just need to try with my, you can say, hint. Kiran is doing very nice, very good. Manas, Bhavya. So 4 students have given the answer. So this is how you will be finding out CS. So you know it is given as 0.8 kilowatt into 10 to the power 3 into cycle return stroke time is 1 second. So you will be having 800 joules. So you just need to equate this 800 joules is equals to I omega mean square CS. You will find out the CS from that. Very good, Midhun. So you will be getting the CS to be 0.012. So this is the value of CS, but we want in percentage. So you will divide or multiply it with 100. So 0.012 into 100. You will be getting the answer to be 1.2%. So guys, the answer will be 1.2% for the same. Very good, guys. Many of you have tried really well. Very good, Manas. That also correct. Moving to the next question, question number 6. And after 6th and 7th question, all the questions are brand new, which you have never seen. They were also new question, but some of you may have seen them in somewhere in some of the practice session, because these type of question we have done before as well. Now new questions will be coming after this. So it was to refresh your memory. Yes. Try to solve this. The turning moment diagram for a petrol engine drawn to a vertical scale of 1 mm to 6 Newton meter and horizontal scale to 1 degree. The turning moment repeat itself after every half revolution of the engine. The areas above and below, above, below, above, below, above, below, it is given to you. And they are saying the rotating parts amount to mass of 40 kg. Radius of gyration is 140 mm. You need to find out maximum fluctuation of energy. Very good, Shubham. Very good, Naveen. Try to solve this question now. So guys, this is also a good question, and as I said, after these 2 questions, you will see many new questions which you have never seen in the classes before. So just solve this one, then we are moving to those new questions as well. So I am giving you the hint. You will be making the T theta diagram. T on y-axis, theta on x-axis. Okay, this is the mean torque line. So you will be plotting this in this way. Positive, negative, positive, negative. See how many areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you need to consider these areas. Let us say A, B, C, D, E, F. I am considering this as A, B, C, D, E, Fg. So you know that energy of A, you will be assuming it as E. Then energy at B will be E plus this area. This area is given as 305. So it will be E plus 305. Then you will find out energy at C. It will be E plus 305. The second area is negative 710. Then you will find out ED. E plus 305 minus 710 plus 50. Similarly, you will find out EE, EF, EG. And you know EG is going to be E again. So you tell me out of these, when you will find out all the energy, very good Kenil, when you will be finding out all these energy, you will find out the maximum and minimum energy from the same. So when you will get maximum and minimum, you can find out delta E. Okay, but that energy will not be coming in joules because these areas are given in mm square. That energy will be coming in mm square. Then you need to put the boundary conditions. 1 mm is 6 Newton meter, 1 mm is 1 degree, then 1 degree is pi by 180. That will give you the exact value of delta E. Try this question. Kenil have solved it to 105.76. Very good Kenil. What about others? What about others? Okay. Kenil is saying 105.76. You just need to find out energy in area. Once you will get in area, you need to multiply this area. Let us say some mm square it is coming. So just multiply this into 1 mm into 1 mm. First of all, vertical scale, it is given as what? 6 Newton meter. So you will multiply it with 6 Newton meter into pi by 180. This will give you the value of delta E. Very good Kartikeya, Midun, Kiran, Manas, everyone have done it. So first of all, tell me what you are getting as E max minus E min in terms of area. In terms of area, what you are getting? Are you getting 1010? Just after getting this 1010 mm square, many students will take option A. There they will be doing the first mistake. You need to avoid this mistake. And that is why after finding out this, we will convert it into joules. So to convert it into joules, we are doing this one. After that, you will be getting the answer to be 105.76 joules. Now the answer will be Newton meter or joules. Very good. The next and the last part of the same question. Here they are giving you the value of speed. They are asking you coefficient of fluctuation of speed. So you just need to put delta E as I omega mean square CS. And they have already mentioned 40 kg and radius of gyration. I is mk square. Put these value here. You will be getting the value of CS. Yes. Bhavya, are you doing it or not? I am giving you the hint. Don't worry. If you have not done this subject, then also there is not an issue because I am giving you the formulas. Yes. Manas, Kartikeya, Midun, Kiran, Kenil, Shubham, Nagaraju. Sure. Today many students are absent, I feel, because of in the morning session they were there. Many students have seen the BHEL paper. After that they are resting today. Okay, so the answer will be coming out to be 0.55%. Very good Kiran. So the answer is 0.55%. So actually the answer will be 0.0055. So you will be multiplying it with the 100 to get in the percentage. Yes, very good Shubham. So the answer for this is B. Now move to the next question, guys. Moving to the next question. So my dear, here punching press is driven by a constant torque electric motor. The press provided with a flywheel that rotates with a maximum speed of 250 rpm. Okay, it punches 800 holes per hour. Each operation takes 3 seconds. Okay, I feel this is punching time or operation time, you can say. Then they are saying and requires energy. Energy is 20 kilonewton meter. What is the power of the motor in kilowatt? So try to solve this question, guys. Yes. Very good. Very good, Midun. So solve this question now. They are saying 800 holes per hour. And energy required for one hole is this much. Okay. So you need power which is nothing but joule per second. So guys, here very easy calculations are required and I want to see how many of you are going to apply this. Here not difficult concept is there. You can see this is nothing but number of holes per hour. And this is nothing but energy required per hole. Energy required per hole. And you require energy required per second. Just see, you are having two things with the help of which you need to find this. It's just a game of units. Bhavya have done it. Kenil have done it. Both of you are correct. Mandeep Kaur is saying 5. 5 is not the right answer, dear. The answer is 4.44. Yes. Once again I am telling you, when you will be writing this 800 divided by 3600, it will become number of holes per second. Then I will multiply it with 20. This is kilonewton meter. It is nothing but kilojoule. So this is kilojoule per hole. It is hole per second. This is kilojoule per hole. And you can see when hole will get cancelled out, you will get in kilojoule per second. The answer will be 4.44 kilowatts. If you see this question statement, it seems that a lot of calculation will be required. But when we are going for solving, you have done it like this. Okay, so this is the beauty. Guys, just like and share the session. At least those who are attending, they must like. Okay, it gives motivation that yes, you are enjoying the session. Moving to the next question. 8 questions are over. Let us move to the question number 9 now. We are having 21 questions today. So if you want to attend the free workshop for GATE examination preparation, you can download the app and link is there in the description box for the same. Very good. The mass of flywheel of an engine is 7 tons. So it means mass is 7,000 kg. Then they are saying radius of gyration is 2 meters. Then they are saying the fluctuation of energy. This is 60 kilojoules. The mean speed they have given is 150 RPM. This time they are asking the maximum speed. You can see this is a new type of question. I am not saying this is difficult, but this type of question have never been asked in GATE examination. So this is a new type of question and you can get such type of question in your exam. So try to solve it, guys. Try to solve it. You know that what is delta E, and already M is given to you, K is given to you. This will give you the value of I. Okay. N mean is already given to you. You need to make two equations. N mean is nothing but N1 plus N2 by 2. This will be 150. And you know delta E is nothing but I omega mean square CS. So from the CS you can find out an equation in N1 minus N2. Solving these two equations you can find out N1 and N2 both. You will get your answer. I am giving hint for those who don't know about the concept so that they shall not be sitting empty-minded. Those who know, they can try by their own. Okay. So I don't want it to waste anyone's time. Those who know the concept, try by yourself. Those who don't know, I am telling the concept. Solve it. Yes, Nagaraju, are you doing it or not? Very good, Sagnik. स्वागत है आपका कई दिनों के बाद. So Sagnik, how your MTech is going on? It's fine or not? Enjoying or not? Okay. So Mandeep, Bhavya, Kenil, Midun, Shubham, Manas, Kiran, Nagaraju, try this question, guys. Try this question. Okay, Bhavya is saying 150. Very nice. Very good, very good. That's great, Sagnik. So, find out, guys. I feel Bhavya have given the answer and Bhavya's answer is correct. Yes, Bhavya, your answer is correct. Try to solve it, guys. Very good, Kenil. 150.6. Yes, yes, yes. Manas, Kiran, try this. Very good, Sagnik. Wonderful. Don't worry, we have some question on kinematic and dynamic analysis also. Okay. Next question is from kinematic analysis of single slider crank mechanism. Very, very good, guys. So, guys, you know the first equation is N1 plus N2 is, you are getting 2 into 150. This will give you the one equation, 300. Then delta E is also given to us, 60 kilojoule. Then I is mk square, omega mean square. For that, n mean is given to us, n mean is given to us. Then 2 pi n mean by 60 ka square. Then it is delta n by n mean. From here you will be getting delta n, which is nothing but n1 minus n2. You will be getting n1 minus n2 to be as equals to, it is, I feel will be coming out to be what? Okay, I have not solved this value, but you will be getting some value and solving this and this equation. You will get n1 is 150.65 and you will get n2 to be equals to, n2 will be coming out to be 149.34. So both the values you will get, but we want the maximum one. This is our answer. Next question, guys. Yes, very good, Bhavya. Your answer is correct. Your value is correct. 1.303. Yes, it is 1.303. Solve the next question. This is from kinematic analysis of single slider crank mechanism. Kinematic analysis. And for your memory, I will write the formula. If you remember, the velocity of piston is r omega sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 2n, where n is L upon R. So if you want the diagram, I will make that as well. Yes, this is L, this is R, this angle is theta, and you know that all other things are given to you. You need to find out the velocity of piston. Solve it. Yes, you already know n is also given as tangent theta here, because here this angle is 90 degree. So you can solve it. Crank rotates. Okay, they have already given the velocity of piston at crank angle of 45 degree. Even you need not to find it. They have given that as well. So try to solve it, guys. Try to solve it. Yes. Sorry, here tangent theta is not required. Theta is already given to you. If it is not given, then we will take this case. They have given the theta. Very good. Kiran is saying 5.85. Sagnik is saying 5.85. Shubham is saying 5.85. Bhavya is saying 5.85. Very good, Kiran, Sagnik, Bhavya, Kenil, शुभम, बहुत ही शानदार, बहुत ही बढ़िया. So answer will be okay. Jamin is also there. 7 tons flywheel used for such small change. Trivedi, as I is increasing, it is used for small speed application. Okay, it is used for small speed application. So here when you will be putting the value of VP, you will be getting this VP as equals to what? Putting the value is 5.85 meter per second. And also I would like to tell you that whenever we are looking for small speed applications, their flywheel sizes are always bigger. Their fluctuations are also small when the speed itself is small. So next is the limiting hoop stress. This is once again a new type of question. This type of question have never been asked in GATE examination. So this is again a new type of question. So you can see the limiting hoop stress of the rim. This is from the design of flywheel. So the rim of a flywheel is 6 MPa. Sigma maximum is given to you as 6 MPa. Then mean speed is given as 400 RPM. This is given as 400 RPM. And then the fluctuation of speed is 1.8% plus minus. So 2 into 1.8 divided by 100. Okay. So then it is given as the mass 1449.4 kg. You need to find out the maximum fluctuation in kilojoule. That you need to find out. So guys, how to solve this one? Will you try this? Okay, very good. I feel Sagnik have mentioned hoop stress is rho v square. Okay, hoop stress is rho v square. Yes, very good. So hoop stress is rho v square. You can use it. So if you will be using this, you can write v to be square root of sigma by rho. Sigma maximum is given to you, density is given to you. You can find out the maximum velocity. Then maximum velocity is nothing but r into omega. Then my dear, you know delta E is nothing but I omega mean square CS. This is the chronology of this question. Solve it. So are you understanding the chronology of the question? This is how you need to solve it. Okay, I feel Kiran have given the answer. Kiran, sorry, but your answer is wrong. Try it again. It is a very good question. New type of question. Pudina Yadav 44725 joules. So I will say Pudina Yadav, your answer is correct. Wonderful, dear. So all students who are new to this session, just join my Telegram channel. You will get PDF of these questions. Also, you will get daily practice papers. DPP 1 is already shared today. DPP 2 on the flywheel topic will be coming tomorrow. Okay, V maximum you guys are giving, that's fine. Then V maximum is coming out to be what? It is 29.27 meter per second. Okay, after getting this, you need to find out what? You need to find out R now. What is the value of R? And when you will get R value, then you will find out the delta E. Yes, solve it. Solve it. They are saying hoop stress of the rim type of flywheel. So for rim type of flywheel, I is mr square. That is why radius calculations are required. So here you will be finding out the value of radius. And this will help you to find out the I value. So delta E is mr square omega mean square CS. Then you will get delta E. So only Pudina have given the right answer right now. What about others? Yes, Sagnik. Have you done it? Bhavya, Kiran, Malesh, Manas, Midun, Shubham, Kenil, Nagaraju. Yes. Very good. Midun have also found out 44.73. 44.73 kilojoules. Wonderful guys. Wonderful guys. बहुत ही शानदार. Very good. टमाटर सिंह कहाँ थे भाई? Hey, where were you? Manas, very good. Kenil, very good. So answer is correct, guys. Let us move to the next question. This time, this question you can solve without calculations. Let us see how many of you answer this without calculation. Okay, very good. So तुमने पुदीना टमाटर चटनी बहुत पसंद है लगता तुम्हें, है? Malesh, very good. Shubham, very good. Solve it, guys, now. So this is the question which can be solved by two ways. One by calculation, one without calculation. Let us see how many of you solve it without calculations. Yes. They are asking which of the statements are correct. Which of the statements are correct? Here smart work is required. So Pudina Yadav is saying A, Tomato Singh A, Manas A. Yes. Shubham A, very good. Nagaraju A, very good. Yes, because this is a T theta diagram. This is a T theta diagram for single cylinder. Okay. So multi-cylinder point is wrong for sure. And wherever 4 is there, all those options are wrong. So the correct option is 1, 2 and 3. A will be the right answer for that. But for cross verification, you can find out these two things. Okay, also you will get it. Okay, next question. Once again, the same type of question you have done. Yes, very good, Manas and Bhavya. Kartikeya, very good. Solve this one, guys. Once again, the same type of question is there again. You need to find out where is the minimum speed. So I will say where the energy will be minimum, their speed will be minimum. Where energy will be minimum, their speed will be minimum. Okay. Kenil, actually this question if you see na, this is the diagram for single cylinder. This is suction, compression, power and exhaust. So this is given for single cylinder. So obviously fourth one is wrong. So fourth one is in B, C and D. So B, C, D will be wrong. Solve it now. Solve this question, guys, now. Solve this question, guys, now. Yes. Yes, guys, solve it, solve it. I want answer from your side. I'm sharing the Telegram channel link as well. Those who have not joined yet, do join it. It will be beneficial for all of you. You will get daily DPPs. Yes. Okay, Bhavya is saying the answer to be D. Bhavya is saying the answer to be D. Let me check it. Yes. Bhavya, Manas, Naveen, Kenil, your answer is correct. D will be the right answer. Why? Because you know you will assume energy at A is E. Energy at B is E minus 28. Then energy at C is E minus 28 plus 380. So you will find out energy at D. Then you will find out energy at E. energy at F, energy at G, and energy at H. This will be the minimum energy. So where energy is minimum, you will be having their speed is also minimum. So D will be the right answer. Very good, Tomato, Kenil, everyone. Okay, 380 minus होने के बाद. Okay. Next question, guys. The same data, you need to find out maximum fluctuation of energy. This time you will be doing the same thing. Delta E is E max minus E mean. You will get energy in mm square. Then you know 1 mm square is 1 mm into 1 mm. Then you know the value is given 650 into, this is 4.5 degree, 4.5 pi by 180. Yes, this is how you will find out the value of delta E. Solve it and give me the answer. Very good. Tomato, Midhun, Shubham. Okay, you are saying D, Midhun is saying B. Midhun, please cross check it. What you are getting? Yes, Midhun's answer is correct actually. Midhun's answer is correct. Bhavya's answer is correct. You will get this. After multiply with this in the joules, the answer will be this. 22360. Very good. Very good, Midhun. Yes, guys, we are still left with 5 more questions. Okay, we are still left with 5 more questions. Very good, Manas, Midhun, Pudina, great. So you understood what is the mistake here? Everybody understood the mistake here? Yes. So what was the value of this one? Can you tell me what is delta E? Very good, Kenil. What is delta E? E max minus E mean. What is that? I feel you guys have given D answer for the previous question. I understood. Those D answer was for the previous question. For this question, you have not given. Only Bhavya, Pudina, Tomato, Manas have given. Okay. Very good, Shubham. Now it is correct. Very good, Shubham. It is correct. Kenil, okay. You are saying 438. Very good. So then solving it, you will get 22360. Very good. बहुत ही शानदार, बहुत ही बढ़िया. So the answer will be 22360 Newton meter. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful, guys. Nice. So guys, do like and share the session. Still 6 questions are left. The last question on this data, you will put delta E as I omega mean square CS. For that, mean speed is given, CS is given, radius of gyration is given. You need to find out mass. Delta E you already know. In the last part you have found out. It is 22360. 22360 is equals to mk square 2 pi n mean by 60 ka square into CS is 1.8. So you know what is the value. It will be 1.8 into 2 is 3.6. So it is 0.036. Yes, are we getting that? You do one thing, you multiply it with 2 into 1.36 divided by 100. Solve it and give the value of mass. Yes. So Bhavya is saying 1415.96. Yes, Kenil, for that he have really worked hard. Okay, so you are also doing within 1 to 2 revision, you will also reach there. Okay, so this is the hard work which will make you that. Very good. So guys, the answer for this will be 1416 kg. So guys, the DPPs I am sharing with you guys now is with solution. So you will not be having any issue. You are getting the DPP now with solutions. Okay, so whatever after that you find any doubt, you can discuss it with me. Once again, this type of question which we have already done before, solve it guys. Solve it guys. So this is the question. A simplified turning moment diagram of a 4-stroke engine is shown in the given figure. If the Tm is the mean torque, that is 10 they have already given. The estimate peak torque. This time they have given you the mean torque. You need to find out the peak torque. So this is thoda sa new question. Yes. Solve it guys. You know that how to solve it. Obviously, if you see the real diagram, which is this triangle from 2 pi to 3 pi. So this area will be equals to this area. Just equate the area, get the answer. Okay. So this is very easy question I feel. Okay. Acha quiz mein bhi tha ye. Okay, it's fine. Okay. So dear, I am not taking question from quiz. From quiz is getting question from here. Okay. So I am having this set of questions. Yes, solve it. Manas is getting A. What about others? What about others? Yes. Kenil, very good. Manas answer is correct. Obviously यार. Quiz का question है तो गलत कैसे करोगे? Yes. Rachit, Devkan, very good. Pudina, Midun, very good. So guys, the answer is going to be 80. You will be doing like this. 1 by 2 into TP, base into height, is equals to 4 pi into 10. So the answer of TP will be 80. It is easy question, but this type of question from Flywheel are coming in GATE exam. So that's why we are doing it. Are Manas, yes, that's what I am saying. Ki you know the technique of that. I am not saying you are remembering the answer, okay? If technique is, if you have seen some question before, the same type with different data you will be able to do. And that is the meaning of these sessions. I am covering all the types. If you have seen that type, in the exam you will be doing even if data is changed. Yes, very good Shubham. Very good Nagaraju. So this is once again a different question than PYQs. Yes, different than PYQ. Try to solve it guys. This is a good one. And guys, do like and share the session. Look, today you have not shared much. That's why live count is less. Yes. And those who have not joined the Telegram channel, do join it. Do join it. Okay, you will be benefited with the DPPs, with the PDF of the sessions, with the updates, new examination, PYQs. Everything is available. So a flywheel is fitted to the crankshaft of an engine having indicated work per revolution E if the permissible limit of the coefficient of fluctuation of speed and energy Ke and Ks, then kinetic energy of the flywheel is. So solve it guys. You know Ke is delta E by E. You know that Ks is delta omega by omega or delta n by n. I am giving you an hint that you can write delta E as E times Ke, and you can also write it as I omega mean square Cs. Okay, so use this, you will get your answer. Use this, you will get your answer. This is Ks. Yes. So tomato, pudina, both have given the answer. They will make a very good chutney today. Very good. Nice, dear. So you are really doing nice, dear. I am really happy. In morning also you were solving the problem. I want to know your real name as well. Yes. So that when your result comes, we must be knowing that who is selected. I omega mean square Ks. Shubham, very good for the previous question. Solve this one now. I have given you the hint. You can see E times Ke, I omega mean square Ks. Now you know kinetic energy is defined as half I omega mean square. One more hint. You need to find out kinetic energy. Yes, guys. Yes. Try to solve. Kenil is also saying B. Very good. Very good. Yes. Kartikeya, very good. Wonderful, guys. So I will say that first of all, come to this. It is E times KE. I am multiplying it with half I omega mean square. I am multiplying it with 2. You know this is the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is E times KE by 2 times KS. The answer is B for this. Very good, Bhavya. Very good, Manas, Kartikeya. Question number 18 now. This time you need to find out the speed. This is L, this is R. Find out the theta. Velocity of piston is R omega cos theta, sin theta. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 2n. Here n is L by R. In this case, it is tangent theta. Tangent theta, it is only when this angle is 90 degree. When this angle is 90, then only it is tangent theta. Rishikesh, very good. Rishikesh is giving the answer for B. The previous question, very good, Rishikesh. So, Rishikesh, why you are not regular? This is my sincere request to all of you. Be regular for all other session. We have next session tomorrow. Okay? And tomorrow's session is related to gear and gear trains. I am telling you the topic for tomorrow's session, gear and gear trains. Revise gear and gear trains. Saturday, Sunday, we will not be having any session. Okay? You can enjoy on Saturday, Sunday. Then once again on Monday, we will be having vibrations. Okay? Then Tuesday, we will be having governors, balancing. Okay? Okay, Pudina Yadav. Actually, it becomes the habit now. Okay, I am at one sport now. Solve it. Legend Desi Bravo Gaming, the time is 8:30 for the session going on. The timing is the same. I feel some students are busy today with the match as well. Yes, what will be the answer? Try to solve it and get the answer. Yes, 250 mm is the connecting rod length. 50 mm is the crank radius. Omega is the 10 radians per second. What is the speed of the slider for the given configurations? Solve it, guys. Solve this question. First of all, you will find out the theta. Tangent theta as L by R. 250 by 50. Getting theta, put it here. Okay. Rachit Devkan is saying the answer to be D. Okay. Please check it. Rachit, I feel you have done some calculation mistake. Check it again. Okay, you are getting D. Okay. Fine. Let us see the others answer. This is question number 18, I feel so. Yes, Kenil is saying C. Bhavya is saying 0.51. No. You tell me the value of theta first. What is the value of theta? Can you tell me that? Kenil is saying C and I feel C is the right answer. 0.51 is wrong. You have made some mistake. What is the theta you are getting? Please tell me that. What is the theta value you are getting? Are you getting 11.3 degrees? Okay, 250 by 5. Okay. I feel then there is some mistake in the data, because the answer for this is 117.2. Okay, all others are getting different answers. Yes. So Kenil, how you have got it with the wrong data? Yes. Fine. Okay, no issues. So I will share the correct data of the question, but this is the way you will be going with. Okay. Let us move to the next question. So there is no option. Don't worry. I have one bonus question for you. So this is the next question. Question number 19. So here they are saying that in a slider crank mechanism, theta and phi are the angle made by crank and slotted bar. So I am saying here we are having the crank, or let us take the slider here. We are having the slider here. This is connecting rod. This is the crank. This is theta. Okay. So you know that there will be some force coming here, F net. This is the piston. Then you know one thing, that this is going to be, they are asking you the velocity. So you know here is the velocity of piston, okay, and this is rotating with an angular velocity of omega. So they are saying this angle is theta and this angle is phi. So this is the velocity of slider, and when it is rotating like this, this will be the velocity of crank. So R into omega it will be, okay, and when you will be finding out this connecting rod component, it will be like this. If you see the angle, if this angle is theta, this will be theta. If this angle is phi, this angle is phi, this angle is also phi. Okay, so if you will try to find out this component, this is theta, this is phi. So what will be this? This angle will be 90 minus theta plus phi. So if you will try to find out this component, this VC, this is also mentioned to you that you need to find out velocity of crank pin is given, the velocity of slider is given by. You need to find out Vs in terms of V. First of all, you will find out the VC. VC is equals to V cos 90 minus theta plus phi, and you know Vs is, this is phi, so this is V. Okay, I feel I have done one mistake. This is V and this is VC. So you will be writing VC as, this is VC, this is V. So you will find out this is V cos, component of this V will be, VC will be V. Sorry. I have made the diagram. First of all, I am telling you again it, how to solve it. You will be writing this is Vs is the slider velocity. So don't get confused. And yes, anybody have solved this? Yes, very good. So you are having this as VC, this as V. So V is nothing but R omega, you very well know that. So VC ka cos component is going to be this, okay. So what they are saying is the line of stroke and V is the linear velocity of crank pin. So they have given this velocity as V and this velocity as VC. Now try to solve it. I have made all the components for you. First you write down VC in terms of V. Then you write down Vs in terms of VC. You will be getting the value of Vs in terms of V. Solve it. The last question, yes. Last question. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. You can write VC as V cos 90 minus theta plus phi. You can write Vs as VC cos phi. Solve and get the answer. हाँ, पुदीना यादव मैं फिर से बता रहा हूं. They said that कि if this is the crank, this velocity is V. V is R omega, you know that. Then they say this is the velocity of connecting rod of this point. Okay. So if this is VC, this is V. This is theta, 90 minus theta plus phi. So the component of velocity in terms of this, you can write it in this way. If you write the velocity of slider, this is velocity of connecting rod. So velocity of connecting rod you want to write down in terms of Vs. So what you will write, Vs is nothing but Vc cos phi. But you need to find out Vs in terms of V. So what you will be doing, you will be putting the value of V here, you will be getting the Vc value. So you will be getting the answer to be C. C is going to be the right answer. Okay. C or B? Let me tell you. Now you got it. Legend is saying B. Okay. Rachit is saying C. Okay. So the answer for this is going to be, I feel not C, it should be D. D will be the right answer. अरे भाई just value put करनी है यार, अब तो आपके सामने है सब कुछ. Okay. Yes. So you just need to find out the V slider in terms of V. That is what is asked in the question. I feel now you will solve it. Yes, D is the right answer. V cos 90 minus theta plus phi by cos phi. Yes. Ha, very good Kenil Rishikesh, very good. Sorry, actually in the question it is not mentioned, okay, velocity's value. So I have taken my own notations. That's why some confusion happens. Sorry for that. Sometimes it happens when we have different convention in our mind. So in general I use V here, Vs here, Vc here, but I have taken opposite. That's why the problem happens. Okay, it's fine. So yes, so guys, with this we have completed this, and the previous question I will be sharing with you with the correct data, and DPP2 you will be getting tomorrow. Archit Gupta, thanks for your wonderful words. Don't worry, I am soon coming for the strength of material. So I will invite you there. Just join my Telegram channel. You will be getting information for that. So I will be coming for strength of material soon. Don't worry. Even on Tuesday, we have a session which will be helpful for HPCL, BHEL and GATE both. So goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining. I will be sharing this PDF with the correct data of question number 18th. Okay. Okay. So goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining. So Tomato Singh, don't forget to like the session, share the session and subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. So guys, tomorrow's topic will be gear trains. Be ready for the same. And sorry for this question. I will share the PDF. You will get it if you have any difficulty. So goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining.